Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Happy to have you here. So, right now, I think what I'm going to do is we're going to talk about Darden Restaurants. And I believe, we'll check down here and see, but I believe Darden owns a few restaurants. Let's see. In the United States and Canada, they own and operate full-service restaurants through its subsidiaries. In the United States and Canada, it operates under Olive Garden, Longhorn Steakhouse, Cheddar's Scratch Chicken, Yard House, The Capitol Grill, Seasons 52, Bahama Breeze, Eddie vs. Prime Seafood, and Capital Burger brands. Okay, founded in 1968, based in Orlando, Florida. Okay, so Darden Restaurants. What do we got here? Let's see. So market cap of $18 billion, PE ratio of 20, earnings per share 7.71, dividend yield of 3.15%, very nice. And the analysts say it is overvalued. And the current price is $155.16. And it looks like, oh my gosh, I think that's as high as it's ever been. Like, this is it. That's interesting. Let's go back 10 years and see what it is. Back in January 1st of 2013, it was $41. So it's $155 now. Yeah, very nice. This is way better than I thought it was going to be. So, wow, that looks really good. But the analysts say it is overvalued. Okay. Let's check revenue. Okay. Oh, revenues went up, and so let's see. 2020 it went down from 2019, and then 21 it went up, 22 even more up. The lowest the earnings have been were really in the last few years were 2020, and then it went up in 2021 and up in 2022. So, you know, all good news there, no problems there. We'll go to statistics, and we'll see what it says there. Kind of surprising that this Darden Restaurants looks so good. Okay. Profit margin over 9%, operating margin over 11%, return on assets over 7%, return on equity over 43%. Okay. Total cash $275 million, total debt $5.9 billion. Operating cash flow is $1.4 billion, and levered free cash flow $1 billion, and a payout ratio is 61.83%. Oh, it's looking surprisingly good. I wouldn't have thought this with Darden Restaurants. So anyway, okay. So for 2023, the sales growth 8.9%, and next year 5.5%. Okay. So what do I think about Darden? Is it a buy, sell, hold? You know, after looking at this, I'm a little surprised. I think I wouldn't buy it now, because I believe it is overvalued. It's as high as it's ever been. But I'll tell you, this might be one you want to buy on the dip, and it's got a nice dividend. And I'll tell you, for the growth, not bad since, 10 years ago. I mean, you're talking almost 4 times your money, when really your money with I think, like if you're earning 8%, it should double in like 8 years. So that's 10 years, and it's like almost quadrupled, right? 41 to 155. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to say, but not right now, but later, but one to keep an eye on for sure. So I sure wouldn't sell it, and I would keep an eye on it, and I'd be watching to buy it. And if you want to buy it now, the PE ratio is 20. I think it's a little overvalued, probably not too much, but yeah, I think it's a good deal. I just wouldn't buy it right now, but if you did, I think you'd be okay as long as you're going to hold it long term. So thank you so much for being here. Bless each and every one of you, and until my next video, peace.